I've had the prunes and some golden raisins just sitting in boiling, about 3 cups of boiling water, to plump them up. Really, it should be about a half an hour, but you know, it's been longer than that. I mean, it doesn't have to be long. It doesn't really matter. So we're just gonna add the carrots. So good sized chunks. Cutting them, we just stick them in. Give them a stir, mix them up with the fruit. We're gonna add just about 2 tablespoons of onion just to enhance the flavor a little bit.
And a little bit of butter and onions.
About a half a cup of honey. I'm adding the honey. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. See what I mean about it being a heavy dish? It's going to be very, very rich. So you'll see, like, I mixed up a whole bunch of these different recipes because you don't really need a specific recipe for this. So we're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes or so, and then we're going to stick it in the oven to finish it off for about 30 minutes.
Colors are awesome.
Are they beautiful? Oven, and we're going to put it in covered.
Bye-bye.